So I got a care package from GYG, Guzman y Gomez. Let's see what they sent me. I'm pretty excited. I'm a big fan of their food. This is the first care package I've gotten from like a, I wouldn't call them fast food, but yeah, like I guess maybe fast food brand. They packaged it pretty tight. Oh damn, I cut into a package. Sometimes I like reusing these for different items I then sell. Okay, let's see if we can cover it. Let's cut it open. Let's open it up. Ah. Oh, cool. The Guzman y Gomez box. Okay, let's see what that have. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Wow. I still have no idea what's in here. Oh, cool, look. I got some hats. Wow, what the hell? They gave me 4 hats for the team, I guess. Damn. I could be like a Guzman y Gomez employee now. See how it fits. Dude, actually low key, it's actually a very good head cap shape. Whoa. This low key fits perfectly with my head shape. Let's tighten it a bit. I think I'll probably have to bring it up by 2. Dude, this is low key like the perfect shape for my head. What the hell? This is actually perfect. And as I wear it, and as it gets faded, it'll look very nice. What the hell? That's so cool. I got some key change. Wow, it's a very heavy burrito keychain. It's very heavy. It's like steel, metal. What a cool keyring. It is 95% zinc. That's pretty cool. So they gave me 4 keyrings. What else do I have here? Some shoelaces, GYG shoelaces. I could run in GYG shoelaces. Very cool. Some socks. I definitely need some long socks as I'm running. Wow, 4 pair of long socks. More shoelaces. Wow, this is so cool. And then some gift vouchers. Oh yeah. Let's see. Gift card. Dude, $100 gift card. Damn. So they gave me $400 worth of GYG. Fuck yeah. Yay. I'm assuming that this is also. Yeah. Oh. I should put this in my wallet and just start eating GYG. Yeah. I need to put it in my like car or something. Put it at the back of my phone. Start filling up on GYG after each session, after each workout. Oh, but check out all these goodies I got. That's all the GYG items. $400 in gift vouchers, 4 keychain, 4 hats. I really love these hats. shoelaces, socks. Yeah, thank you so much, GYG. I'm definitely gonna make use of everything. I'm very happy with the hats. Rarely I find hats that fit my head shape. So I'm like very happy with those.